all. I got the Britannica Junior Encyclopedia out this morning. Yes, and I was looking for the sun. It's a parent body of our solar system, around which Earth and other planets revolve, and from which we obtain natural light and heat. Now, the average distance from the Earth is 92,894,100 miles. The diameter of the sun is 865,400 miles. And the volume of the sun is 1,300,000 times greater than Earth. Seems like it's kind of a big solar system, or a big sun, really. I mean, it's kind of like a star, except it's a sun. Yes. Now, it's a parent body of the solar system, and it has some significance. Yes. Now there's the Antarctic region, the Arctic region, and then there's astrology, astronomy, yeah, the calendar, the climate, comet, and then there's what I'm concerned of is it's a disinfectant. hmm hmm You don't really think of the sun as being a disinfectant, but it is. Now, the Earth in eclipse, energy, equinox, and solstice. Now, gravitation, yes, and the internet, yes. Then there's the halo, the heat and the helium, light and moon and mythology, yes. Observatory, rain, rainbow, solar flare, solar system, yeah. Spots, and then there are those superstitions and tides and diagrams and time and picture and weather. And then it says, see also solar energy, yeah. Yeah. Now, I thought we'd look at the sun this morning and then maybe a summons. Yeah. It's a written order obligating a person named therein to appear in person in court of justice on a certain date. Yes. Now, I know that you're in control of the world, and that's kind of how you've been operating for the last, few decades. Yes. But there's what's known as the parent body of the solar system. Now, for all of you in law enforcement that thought that you were really, really important and you're just not going to enforce the laws, yes. When I went to lunch yesterday, my videos were rejected to the 414 channel. Yes. Now, I loaded up all 10 of them, and for the first time in approximately 5 years, well, no, probably 3 years, yes, my videos were rejected to the YouTube channel. Oh, now for all of those that think, well, I'm the parent, yes, we're going to talk about the sons today because you think, yes, that you're a lot bigger than you are. Now, see, this is kind of the sun right here. This is the Earth. See this little planet right there? Yeah. And this little tiny moon right there. Oh, there's Mercury right next to it. Yeah. And then there's Venus. Oh, then there's the Earth. Yes. And then Mars. Oh, and then Jupiter. Yes. And Saturn. Poop. Uranus. Ooh, Neptune. And they used to include Pluto, but somebody decided I don't think so. Now, as a parent, yes, I'm wanting you to feel my authority as a parent. And I thought we'd bring the sun out. Yes. As an example, why corrupt cops right now, I tell you. The sun is, well, the solar system, yeah, consists of the sun, yeah, and all the bodies of space revolving around it. The orbit of Pluto, the most distant planet, is more than 7 billion miles across. Yes. Now that's quite an orbit when you think about it. 7 billion miles. Now that's probably the diameter of its actual orbit. But for all of you, yes. See, the origin of the solar system, yes, long before the time of Christ, yes, 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 before Jesus happened. Yes, man had already learned much about the solar system. Yeah. Now, the planets Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn were recognized by the ancients as different from the stars. Hmm. The five bodies moved from across the sky, yes, past one constellation after the other, while the stars appeared to stay in position. The Greeks gave them the name planet, which means wander, as if the planets were out there just kind of wandering about, wondering what they should do with themselves.